who it is, what it is. It's your girl, Miss Monroe, and I'm dropping nothing but bangers. Now, before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Now, let's get into this video. So, as y'all can tell by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a low messy bun. So, I've been doing this all week, which is why my hair looks like so crazy. I've been doing it in like different variations and different ways. So, I'm going to just show you guys how I'm going to do mine today. So, you don't really need much as far as products. Personally, I don't even have much products with me because personally, I don't have much products with me right now because I'm at school. Most of my products are at home. I go to school in a very white neighborhood. They do not have beauty supply stores. So I'm going to show you guys the main thing that I'm going to be using for my hair today. First off, I'm going to be using flat irons. And second, this Swoop Control is really good for type 4 hair. It's owned by a 15-year-old entrepreneur. But anyway, yes, so you're gonna need some flat irons, hard brush, and this is like the hard brush from my business that I'm using. Yeah, soft brush, I'm using this one also for my business. And then the Swoop Control, edge brush. You don't really need this, but I'm using this. This is my business's moisturizer. It's just good for like keeping your hair like moisturized. And I'm also using oil for my hair just because I like to keep my hair oiled throughout the process. And you're going to need braiding hair, of course. I suggest just getting like a full pack of braiding hair. I'm using braiding hair from my business as well because I sell braiding hair. I already have a pack open because I've been using the same one all week. It looks a little rusty because this is actually a really old pack that I opened, and it was just like, I'm gonna use it because it's already open. Make sure like your hair is fully combed out, because you don't want any sections of your hair to be matted or anything during the process. So just make sure your hair is actually like really combed out really well. So I'm gonna say section off your hair. Just get like certain parts out of the way. Start with the back of your hair because it just may be easier to do. There is no like real specific way that you need to do this. It's just get your hair sectioned off to the back, okay? And we're doing this so it can look natural. So this can look like it's your hair, okay? We don't care if it don't look like it's your hair, you know? You want it to look like it's yours. So I have this little section in the back. It's a lot of hair, but it don't need to be super slick, just slick enough. So I'm using my Swoop Control. I'm taking a good portion of it, just putting it on my nail, put it on my hand, and then just kind of trying to mold it. Let me turn so you can see. I'm just trying to mold the bottom part. And if you need more, like just get more and put it on. So this actually feels very good to me. So now that that section is done, I'm gonna put it in a mini bun and pin it. Okay, I'm fine. So we want to section this piece off too. I forgot to add my moisturizer to that piece, but it's okay. Section this off. I'm gonna pin it. I just really need some oil for my scalp because my scalp gets dry. I've been using my oil this week, so my hair is actually really not that dry. But I grabbed some of my moisturizer, moisturizing the section. Also, this helps my hair just to get soft, so it's easier to slick. So getting somewhere in my swoop control and just gelling it back like this. And I'm gonna actually put some on both sides of this because you want this whole piece to actually be very slick. Now I'm gonna take this pin out of the back one so I can add it onto it. Right. Taking a section from here. That's good. So you're going to get like part of your edges to be out. So I don't like to have like a bunch of my edges out, but like this is a pretty solid amount that we're gonna let stay out. And I'm gonna just twist it so this I know is separate. Cause that should be good. And then we can go on to the rest of this section. Okay, so now this is you trying to put the ponytail in, right? My ponytail for the most part is sticking, but I'm gonna add some edge control to the back because that's the part of my hair that always comes up. And I'm gonna just brush it as much as I can. It's molded. I have my little ponytail. My ponytail holder is really big, so I'm gonna double loop it. And I'm just putting it in a teeny bun back here. This is my little teeny bun. Now, for me, I always have a little hard time getting all of it to stay. So I take some bobby pins, and at the bottom of like these, on the sides, I just stick a little bobby pin in. Like where you see that hair up right there. Because sometimes all your hair can't fit in the ponytail. Sometimes other parts of your hair is longer than the other. And that's perfectly fine. I accidentally took more of my edges out than I meant to when I put it in the ponytail. But that's perfectly fine. If you're starting with a new pack of hair, it should be split in half, right? I'ma just take one of these. And what you're gonna do is you're going to put one side of the hair into a ponytail holder. And you're just going to have it like this. Now, I like to have the hair in the front when I do this. This part is going to hook onto your ponytail and you're going to put it on your ponytail. right? Some people go out with their ponytails like this. You can do that. Just make sure your hair is evenly, you know, done. Now, you're going to take a piece of this ponytail. Just a piece. A small piece of this ponytail. You don't gotta put much on it. Just put a little tiny product on it so it can be soft. I'm using my moisturizer on it as opposed to my edge control. And you don't want your hair to be shown. So that's the point of this part. You're going to wrap this, and actually, you could take Got2b spray if you have some and spray it so it can stay on there. So take Got2b spray, spray it on, and we just gonna wrap this around. Now, you can put this ponytail however you want it, but I like to twist it before doing that. So I'm just twisting the hair. Like just twisting it all the way down because I don't want the hair to tangle when I put it into a bun. Or you could braid it. Sometimes people braid it because they like having the braided buns, but that's not what I'm going for. And you don't really have to know how to do hair. I'm really just literally twisting it. So it's twisted, right? I got the hair all choking me. You're gonna take this and you just gonna wrap this joint in a circle. And you're going to keep wrapping it. And every time you wrap it, pull it so it can stay tight. Wrap and pull. Wrap and pull. Wherever you stop twirling your bun, stick the bobby pin there. Right? You see the bun now? The bun is there. So now, what we got left are the edges. We could do these like a bunch of different ways. It depends on what you want to do. I'm right now just going to curl it. So I got my flat irons. They're on. They've been preheated. You're just going to curl your edges like that. Find the next part of your edges. You're going to curl it. So I have my swoop control. Now, I'm not going to do it for the whole curl. I'm going to just have it like that. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Yes. But I'm going to keep it going just like a little. Like, oh, okay, I did another swoop. And I'm going to do that on this side too. So I got the first swoop. And then my second one. And I'm gonna comb through my edges just a little. So it's not like a super like, so the curl can just have a little fluff to them. And I'm just using the back of my edge brush comb because like it's supposed to be like messy but like cute. Now, here is my bun. Oh, let me fix the edges. Now, y'all could do your edges however y'all want. I've been doing the curls and I've been getting a little bit like over them. So I want to put a little edge control on the like front part of them. Like, I think this is cute to me. So it looks natural, which is the point of it. And it's messy. The curls give it the little like messiness. And if you want to add like little details, get like little clips like this. And you could put them in. And it can just add like a little cutesy factor to it. That's also like something else I've been doing. I've been really like enjoying how that looks. And then put some lip gloss on and you cool. So, and then if you want to like make sure that it stays in place, you can use your Got2b Freeze. I'm hoping that works. Put your little earrings on and stuff, and then it's gonna be cute. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in to this small little tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope this works out for you guys. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. So drop some comments down below for maybe some future videos that you guys want to see. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah!